The style I had previously was not in tune to my style, my natural sense of style at all. And so I went to my hubby and I said, I'm not feeling this unit. And he said, you know what you need to do, just change the style. And I'm saying, oh my God, Andrew, like clearly this is not how you would typically rock your hair. So I did the change and I'm loving it. And I'm going to show you what other style we were able to install. A new look. It was a brand new wig, but it's a little bit too trendy for me personally, but a very cute style nonetheless. So stay tuned, guys. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear them in the comments section below. So I changed the head wrap because it was too short. So now I'm just going to rush through a bit of a makeup. I've already washed and moisturized my face.
So a lot of us are wearing masks, and in order to keep your makeup on, it's best you use primer. So I'm just putting my primer, rubbing it into the skin and allowing it to dry a little before I do any other step. Also, I'm into this, natural looking brows, so I'm just combing them out, and I wish I had some brow gel just to set it and forget it. Concealing with the NARS, and then I'm just taking that down the lid so that I can create a base for my eyeshadow. Now, I would recommend that you use a darker shade or the same shade as your foundation when you're doing the top of your brows. And I'm just trying to cover up some of my friends, they're sensitive. It's very difficult because you don't even know what people are putting into the foods, and I really do not have the time to cook every single meal for myself. So I'm just blending, and we want to blend as much as possible to get a seamless result. Blend, 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 blend. Your hand is going to hurt you, but girl, blend, blend, blend. Alright, so I've learned a trick. I've placed the foundation on my hand, allowing it to warm so that I can spread it easily on my face. Also allow it to dry a little, you'll get the best results, and you'll also save a lot of product if you allow it to just dry a little. That way when you're moving it about, it's not completely removing itself from the skin. So as you see, I'm not really spending too much time on the brows. I'm just filling it in and moving on to concealing the under eye, just to make my under eye pop so that it can look a little bit alive. As it pertains to those of you who have entered the giveaway from the Zara video, I want you to know that I'll be placing your names in a bag, and I'll be randomly selecting the person who won that 18-inch full lace wig. For those of you who weren't successful, do not worry. I'll be having a lot more giveaway to come, so stay tuned. So now I'm setting the under eye, but I'm not using too much product, basically going over the areas that I concealed earlier. And pretty much going over all the areas that had the concealer. Well, I'm gonna know what it me, but put on some eyeliner, and of course I have to make my little Mole Pop. And I'm also using some liquid eyeliner just to get, whoopsie daisy. I'll fix that later with some foundation, just to get a little wing. That's the trick. So I'm using the Warrior palette too, just to create a little dimension on the lids. Just, you know, just a little something, something, not too much. I try to find the shortest lash to put on because I'm not the best at applying lashes, but you know, it didn't give me too much of a hard time this time. So I'm setting the face with the I think it was Maybelline. And when you're putting on your blush, do not smile. The blush may be applied too low when you smile, so just keep a straight face and put it where you want it to be. And I'm just following up with some highlighter. Girl up a proper little nose. And I'm using Shana All Dolled Up Lippy. See there? For the ultimate result, allow the lash glue to dry a little on the lash before applying it. That way it's not skipping about on your lash. And I'm just following up with my favorite mascara, which is the Pumped Up. I don't remember what this lippy is, you know. It was a special edition from MAC, but I gave it away because I just never felt it did anything at all for me. So, on to the fun part. We're trying to conceal the lace as best as possible by using our pressed powder, and in the actual part of the wig, we're using a darker shade, because it's always best to do a darker shade as opposed to a lighter shade. It looks more realistic. That's right, girl. Make lace disappear. And we're on to the next part of it.
Quickly want to say, you may not be used to seeing me in like a hairstyle like this. So I figured I wanted to try to see if it's something that I could actually wear. And though I enjoy the new look, it's quite cute. Even though I enjoy it, it is not quite me. It is 24 inches long, 613, but this is not quite my personal style. It's quite edgy, I like it, but it's not me. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you think. It's a fun look. I'm just not sure if I'm that fun. Personal style. It's a topic about personal style that I was reminded of during this tutorial. But either way, I just want you to see how you can wear colored hair and still look all the way put together. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so very much for spending time with me today. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, take care.
So on my right, that's when I, put on that gangster look. And this is really more my style, but this is a comparison between the two of them. Which do you prefer? Please let me know below.